Hey, what's up, Sami here. So today we are going to take a quick look at the Mi Band 7 Pro. In this video I will do unboxing and all the gesture controls and yeah, my first impression, that's it. So without further ado, let's get started. So alright, so this is the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, the first English answer on YouTube ever. So Mi Band 7 Pro. Alright, so this is the image we've seen before. And here, down here we have some highlights. So here is the AMOLED screen and the scientific sleeping monitoring, 100+ sports mode, and the rich featured watch faces and GNS 5-star position and Xiaomi voice assistant, SPO2, all day SPO2, NFC 50 meters waterproofing, and super long battery life, and some other information here. Like in this video, I will be just doing a fast unboxing. Maybe if luck we connect it to the app, then it will show you everything. But I'm not sure if I can, because like last time we opened the Mi Band 7, it cannot, because you have to be in the whitelist of Xiaomi, and then they give you that access to app. So here we have the manual, a Chinese manual, right? Oh, very detailed one, just like the Mi Band 7. Alright, and then we open it. Ooh, and this is the cable. Oh, this is like very different from the standard version. The Xiaomi Band 7 is like the round one, right? Here is their charging cable, and also then moving on, we have this. Finally, the Mi Band 7 Pro. Ooh, wow! So that's it. So if you compare with the standard version, the screen is much larger, right? Oh, so larger. But the bezels, I think, is still enormous. You see, and then we compare with the Huawei Band 7. My first impression that I haven't turned on the screen, I can see it is bigger than the Huawei Band 7. It is bigger, right? It is bigger, and let me check other things of it. So, all right. So this is the sensor, Xiaomi here, and the strap is also swappable, as you can see here. It's swappable, but not like Huawei. Huawei is like kind of complicated, but Xiaomi is more simple. Xiaomi is like a Huawei Band 3 Pro. Oh, yeah, magnetic, that's true. So to turn on, you have to like connect to power first. Let me connect to power, right? Okay, now it's connected. All right, so it's on 80%, right? So I'm now trying to. All right, the Mi Fitness, I just connected. I'm using the app. I will just scanner. Ooh, am I the first one to scan the Mi Band 7 Pro? Okay. Ooh, so it's connecting. Wow, it's connected. It's connected. So we just walk you through the gestures, everything very quickly. So this highlights like big screen, new Eco, and alright, this highlights. Alright, dismiss. Alright, I've just dismissed. Continue. Okay, it asked me to update, but I don't think I have time to update now. So that's the app. It's basically the same as the Mi Band 7, so I'm not going to. But this time it features the NFC, right? It features the NFC. Features the GPS. I mean the GPS positioning. So, alright. And this basic stuff, I want to walk you through about it. It still doesn't have that side key like the Huawei Band 7, so it's a bummer, I guess. But you know what is this? You can say, oh, Mi Band 7 looks more simple, minimalistic. You can say whatever you want. All right. So let me walk you through the gestures. Swipe down, you get the notifications. Swipe up, you get the shortcuts. You get the apps like running and heart rate monitoring and Xiaomi voice assistant. All those apps are there. All right. Okay. As you can see, it supports now. It supports the camera remote control. So I've seen some people complaining about that Xiaomi 7 doesn't have now. On the Pro, it has now. As time is tight, I cannot just show you. Okay, okay, that's it. And then the settings, we can see the band display. Okay, I don't like this one. So it should be very easy. I will change. Let me. Oh, so I have to like this. What is it? It's okay. I like this one. Okay, I'm not used to that style. All right. So about Apple, you get all those apps, and yeah, this is the torch. You guys loved me for not, to use the torch on Mi Band 7 now. I know. Okay, settings, band, displays, vibration displays, brightness, auto, and auto lock. I guess I will change to. Wow! Now it supports up to like 5 minutes. Can you believe that? 5 minutes. Always on, of course. All day. Let me change to all day. And there are more. Always on, cover to sleep, raise to wake. Blah blah blah, everything about it. App layout, ping system, band. Okay, that's the settings. Basically, not a huge difference compared to the Huawei of Mi Band 7, right? And swipe left, Xiao voice assistant. 你好, 你好. I couldn't wake me. Yeah, okay. I don't know. And then this apps, Alipay. Music, okay, wow, that's it. So that's, so swipe right, you get all these shortcuts, right? So swipe left, you get all these widgets you added, but swipe right, you get the shortcuts, right? And torch, clock, DND, and this raise to waist, and find the phone, I guess, right? Okay, just stop. Okay, stop. And that's it. That's it. Now let me just wear it. So this is the Pro. This is the 7. No, they're not. This is looks like the Huawei band now. Use this kind of design. So that's it. The heart rate. So as you can see, my heart rate is like 104. Yes, I'm talking really fast, really fast. So yeah, 107 now, 106. Yeah. We'll show all the stuff. Okay, anyway. Okay, just to let you know, have a general idea of the Pro and the standard version. The screen size, yeah, it's huge. The huge difference. Okay, that's it. So alright, that's the Mi Band 7 Pro. It's like a huge upgrade, even you compare to the Huawei Band 7, which I actually recommend the Huawei Band 7 into this video. I just did a video of the Huawei Band 7 and the Mi Band 7, but the 7 Pro is like the king, just killed all those those bands. Yes, I think I will buy one and do a very detailed review about them and comparing, all of them. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Sami. We'll see you in the next one.